Apple's an amazing company.
After nearly 2 decades and 42 different models, the iPhone has reached billions of users worldwide, transforming the very concept of what a phone can be. It invented the modern smartphone, making the device an immediate portal to the world, putting everything you could want right at your fingertips.
People love iPhone, and it's an important part of our daily lives.
The appeal of the iPhone is so powerful that every release season, you'll find long lines of eager fans waiting for hours, sometimes days, just to be among the first to own the latest model.
I'm getting two, man.
So let's take a look at the new iPhone.
Each new release generates massive excitement, making the launch of an iPhone a global event that draws attention from tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike.
These are the most powerful and most advanced iPhones that we have ever built in a stunning new design.
This is Captain Discovery, and today, in this special episode, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the process of making the iPhone. We're about to dive deep into a marathon of innovation, from design and development to assembly and distribution, and uncover the secrets behind the iPhone's creation and what makes it the greatest technological marvel of our era.
But to add to all these big announcements, we also wanted to do something.
So let's think different and get ready. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey.
Photographers will be able to capture an uncompressed 48 megapixel Pro RAW image.
The iPhone's journey started in the mid-2000s with Apple's secret Project Purple, aiming to create a device that combined a phone, iPod, and internet communicator. Steve Jobs, Apple's visionary leader, was determined to break away from the traditional smartphone design that relied heavily on physical keyboards. After years of development and collaboration with Singular Wireless, the iPhone concept was finalized. This visionary device was poised to revolutionize the tech industry. In January 2007, Steve Jobs introduced the world to the first iPhone during his keynote at the Macworld convention.
An iPod, a phone. Are you getting it? And we are calling it iPhone.
The sleek, minimalist design featured a 3.5-inch touchscreen, a single home button, and no physical keyboard, marking a bold departure from the norm.
We're born with 10 of them. We're going to use our fingers.
The original iPhone combined multiple functions into one device, offering users a mobile phone, a widescreen iPod, and an internet communicator. Despite its premium price, the iPhone was a resounding success, selling over 6 million units within its first year on the market.
Some estimates suggest that Apple will sell as many as 400,000 units this weekend alone.
It's like a beautiful old Leica camera.
As Apple kept pushing innovation, the iPhone saw significant advancements. The iPhone 3G, released in 2008, introduced 3G connectivity and the App Store, revolutionizing the mobile software market by enabling third-party apps. In 2010, the iPhone 4 brought a major design shift with its glass body, stainless steel frame, Retina display, and FaceTime for video calls.
And the software that runs on it. And this is so true with iPhone photography.
Later models like the iPhone 5 and iPhone X continued to raise the bar with larger screens, enhanced cameras, and features like Face ID. From 2019 onward, the iPhone series saw further advancements with the iPhone 11, Introducing ultra-wide camera lenses and night mode. The iPhone 13 and later models focused on enhancing battery life and camera capabilities, solidifying Apple's position at the forefront of smartphone innovation. The latest iPhone models, including the iPhone 15, continue to emphasize performance, computational photography, and sustainability, demonstrating Apple's commitment to continuous improvement. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about iPhone. Which iPhone series first introduced 5G connectivity? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. The iPhone production process starts with the design and development phase at Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for the final product. Apple's design team, led by top engineers and designers, work collaboratively to conceptualize the new iPhone's physical appearance, features, and performance. The design phase is focused on both the hardware and software, ensuring the phone will meet high user expectations in terms of functionality, aesthetics, and innovation. Apple's engineers make detailed decisions regarding component placement, such as where the processor, battery, and camera will be located within the device. Simultaneously, the user experience team works on refining the interface of iOS, the iPhone's operating system, to ensure it works seamlessly with the hardware. Apple also works on integrating new technologies during this stage, such as improved camera systems or enhanced display features. All these innovations are tested to ensure they deliver the functionality Apple promises to its users. The iPhone is composed of over 60 different elements, including metals, minerals, and rare earth elements, which come from various locations around the world. Apple works with a vast network of suppliers to source these materials, ensuring they meet strict quality and environmental standards. For instance, aluminum is sourced from mining operations and smelters in countries like Australia and Canada. Silicon for the microchips often comes from suppliers in the US or Japan. Lithium and cobalt, critical for the iPhone's lithium-ion battery, are extracted from regions like Chile, Argentina, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. It's break time! Did you know that Apple has a policy regarding the depiction of its products in movies and TV shows, particularly around how iPhones are used by characters? According to filmmaker Rain Johnson, who directed Knives Out, Apple allows its products to be featured in films, but does not permit villains to use iPhones. This policy is part of Apple's effort to protect its brand image, ensuring that its products are associated with positive characters and values. And you, how many times do you use an iPhone every day? Share now in the comments below. Apple collaborates with a network of specialized manufacturers worldwide to produce these components, each with its own expertise in making specific parts. The A-series chips, which power the iPhone, are designed by Apple but manufactured by Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC. These chips are made using advanced semiconductor technology, and the manufacturing process involves creating billions of tiny transistors on a silicon wafer. TSMC's cutting-edge fabrication techniques are essential for the performance and efficiency of the iPhone's processor. The iPhone display, OLED displays, is produced by companies such as Samsung, LG, or Japan Display. These displays are assembled with precise engineering to ensure high resolution, color accuracy, and responsiveness. The lithium-ion battery is another critical component. It's usually manufactured by companies like Amperex Technology Limited, ATL, or Samsung SDI. The battery production process involves constructing a compact, efficient power source capable of maintaining long battery life and fast charging. The iPhone's camera system, known for its high-quality image and video capabilities, is powered by Sony image sensors. These sensors are produced using precision engineering to capture light accurately and enable advanced features like night mode, depth sensing, and optical zoom. And additional parts like the glass screen, microphones, wireless antennas, and various sensors are manufactured by suppliers around the world, including companies in the US, South Korea, Japan, and China. Once the individual parts are manufactured, they are shipped to Apple's assembly partners, where the final stage of production, assembly, takes place. After the individual components of the iPhone are manufactured, they are sent to assembly plants primarily in China, where the final assembly of the iPhone takes place. These companies have massive manufacturing facilities designed specifically to handle the high volume of iPhone production. The logic board, which includes the A-series processor, memory chips, and other critical components, is installed first. This is followed by the attachment of the display, battery, cameras, and other internal hardware, like the microphones, speakers, and sensors. After the internal components are in place, the aluminum or glass casing is carefully fitted to the device with precision to ensure the phone's body is sleek and durable, meeting Apple's design and structural standards. As part of the assembly process, the iPhone's operating system, iOS, is installed on the device. The assembly process is a highly coordinated operation that involves both manual labor and automation. Workers handle delicate tasks like attaching components and performing quality checks, while machines help with tasks like placing screws and testing certain functions. Once the iPhone has been fully assembled, it undergoes an extensive quality control and testing process to ensure it meets Apple's high standards for performance, durability, and overall quality. Each of these elements is examined to ensure they meet performance standards, while the connectivity features like cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth are also tested for reliability. In addition to functional tests, the iPhone's water and dust resistance capabilities are evaluated to meet IP68 standards, ensuring that the device can withstand submersion and exposure to environmental factors. The battery is tested for charging efficiency, battery life, and safety to prevent overheating or malfunctioning. Physical durability is another key aspect, where the phone undergoes drop and bend tests to simulate everyday use and accidents, ensuring it remains intact under pressure. The next step is packaging. Each iPhone is carefully packed with its accessories, including a charging cable, documentation, and other necessary items. The packaging process is designed not only to protect the device during transportation, but also to enhance the unboxing experience for the customer, which is an important part of Apple's branding.
What an incredible day of announcements about products that are truly essential to our daily lives.
The packaging is sleek and minimalistic, in line with Apple's design philosophy, and is made from environmentally friendly materials where possible.
Apple's corporate operations have been carbon neutral. To reach our goal of carbon neutral products by 2030,
the product is labeled with essential information, including the model, storage capacity, and serial number. Each iPhone is given a unique identification number, which helps Apple track the device for warranty and service purposes.
We are so excited for iPhone 13. With all of its power and capability,
once iPhones are assembled and packaged, they are sent to Apple's distribution centers located in key regions around the world. These centers act as hubs that manage the logistics and shipping to various retail locations and directly to consumers.
every single day people rely on iPhone, from their most demanding tasks.
For major iPhone launches, Apple coordinates with its retail and logistics teams to ensure that products are available in large quantities on release day. This involves staging inventory in advance and implementing special procedures at retail stores, such as pre-order pickup slots and separate lines for new buyers. Or you can buy through authorized resellers, such as Best Buy and other electronic stores, to distribute iPhone. If you want to purchase an iPhone online, Apple also offers direct-to-consumer sales through its online store. Customers can purchase an iPhone online, which will be shipped directly to their home or to a local Apple store for pickup. Apple uses a combination of shipping partners, FedEx, UPS, and DHL for these deliveries, offering options like standard and expedited shipping. Through these well-coordinated efforts, Apple ensures that iPhones are available worldwide, whether through physical stores or online sales, delivering a seamless buying experience for customers. And now is the answer for the quiz about which iPhone series first introduced 5G connectivity. The answer is iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 series, released in October 2020, was the first to support 5G connectivity, marking a significant technological advancement for the iPhone lineup.
Today, we're bringing 5G to iPhone. This is a huge moment for all of us, and we're really excited.
This edition allowed for faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and an overall improved mobile internet experience.
Black, white, product red, green, and a gorgeous blue.
The introduction of 5G made the iPhone 12 series more future-proof, aligning with the global shift towards 5G networks. This move positioned Apple to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving smartphone market.
Apple has a plan and a promise to make Apple carbon neutral. Wait, no, we've already done that.
Apple has set highly ambitious sustainability goals, aiming to combat climate change, conserve resources, and minimize its environmental impact.
Single Apple product carbon neutral by 2030. Even yours. We're working to make every iPhone, iPad, watch, and Mac with 100% recycled or renewable materials.
A central objective is achieving carbon neutrality across its entire supply chain and product lifecycle by 2030, ensuring all products, from production to recycling, have a net zero climate impact.
When?
By 2030, all Apple devices will have a net zero climate impact.
To reach this goal, Apple is focusing on several key areas. First, Apple is committed to powering all of its global operations with 100% renewable energy. They are actively partnering with suppliers to facilitate this transition, including those that manufacture components, assemble products, and transport materials. Second, Apple is working on reducing emissions by redesigning processes across its product line.
Hundreds of manufacturers, distributors, testers, assemblers, disassemblers, and material makers. Manufacturing is just a part of it. What about all of you? This is a big one. Apple devices are all over the world, and by 2030, all of the electricity charging all of your devices will be 100% renewable.
This involves reducing the carbon intensity of materials used, improving energy efficiency, and optimizing the manufacturing process. Third, Apple is designing its products to be more environmentally friendly from the start by reducing the overall material use in its devices, minimizing packaging, and using recycled materials and key components.
So you're a part of this too, because Apple is going carbon neutral. No, everything Apple is going carbon neutral.
These are some of Apple's sustainable targets, which is a comprehensive strategy to eliminate its environmental impact.
And Pro models that take the experience further with a Pro design.
Hopefully, these efforts reflect Apple's long-term vision to create a greener future while continuing to innovate in technology and design.
As you can see, we've innovated and retooled almost every part of our process to reduce our impact on the planet. But there's still a lot more work to do.
Thank you everyone for joining the journey of exploring the production process of iPhone. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.
A phone. Are you getting it? And we are calling it iPhone.